Welcome to the ultimate guide on accessing free IPTV channels through GitHub. Today, we'll explore how to find the best and free playlists available online. First, visit the GitHub repository at IPTV.org/IPTV. This collection has channels from around the globe, and they're all accessible for free.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, red face flame by the light.
When browsing, you'll notice various playlists. For a direct link to a specific country, simply swap in the country code, like US.M3U for the United States. Remember, links are only valid as long as the stream is live and the URL hasn't changed. As you dive into these resources, don't forget 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider, linked in the description. Check it out. To avoid common pitfalls, always verify the age of the stream. If it's outdated, look for alternatives within the repository. With these tips, you'll master the art of free IPTV streaming. Feel free to share your favorite finds and experiences in the comments. And remember, for the best IPTV experience, 2TV Store is your go-to. The link is right below.